Lion and Mouse story. Once upon a time, in a big forest, there lived a lion and a little mouse. The lion was big and strong, and the mouse was tiny and quick. Mouse accidentally runs over the lion's paw. Oops! Sorry, Mr. Lion. Who woke me up? Oh, it's just a little mouse. What do you want? Please don't eat me, Mr. Lion. I'm sorry for waking you up. Okay. I won't eat you this time. But be careful next time. The lion let the mouse go, thinking it was too small to be of any help. One day, the lion got caught in a hunter's net. Help! Somebody help me! Mouse hears the lion's cries and rushes over. Don't worry, Mr. Lion. I'll help you. The mouse nibbled and nibbled until the net broke, and the lion was free. Wow! Thank you, little mouse. I didn't know you could help me. That's what friends are for, Mr. Lion. That's what friends are for, Mr. Lion. From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends. They learned that even the smallest friend can be a big help.